We live only once, and I believe in living my life to the fullest on my own terms. Welcome to my vlog. So beautiful. My most favorite place, Miami. Oh wow!
This is what I wanted to show you. ये पूरा ये सारे बिल्डिंग्स है ना इसके साइड साइड से हम लोग जाते हैं.
अरे वाह! Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Prachi. I'm a senior purser with a reputed airline in the Middle East, and I am welcoming you to my vlog all the way from Miami. Look at this beautiful evening view from the balcony of my room here at Marriott Biscayne Bay. Hi, bye.
Hello.
How are you?
Good
to see you again.
Good to see you, Prachi.
Yes.
A few moments later.
It's approximately 6:45 p.m. My cousin brother who lives here and I are ready to step out. But before that, a quick room tour. That's my room. I have just unpacked quickly. That's the washroom. Pardon me, मैं बहुत जल्दी दिखा रही हूँ because 7 p.m. होने वाला है और मुझे निकलना है. I'm clad in Christopher John Rogers, one of my favorite American designers, and I really love this outfit. Let's go. Bhai and Behen are out and about in South Beach, Miami, the Ocean Drive area. This is one of my most favorite parts in the entire Miami. Now let me take you around this area. Basically, this is called the Ocean Drive here in South Beach, Miami. This place is full of restaurants, pubs, clubs, you name it, they have it. Of course, for nightlife, Miami, Vegas top the list in US for all party lovers.
पहले फोन निकला. That's alright.
Fire is here with my red wine sangria और ये भाई का खाना. Delicious.
Smells so good.
So good. Amazing. You know, I'm meeting my brother after 2 long years since he left Doha, Qatar, and I'm so happy and proud of him. He just finished his commercial pilot license here in Miami, and that's what we are celebrating also. And here we are enjoying red wine sangria. As a wine lover and first level sommelier, I just love exploring different kinds of wines from different countries. This is Tropical Mango Pub, a very famous one here in Miami, जहाँ पे दोस्ताना की सॉन्ग की शूट भी हुई थी, जाने क्यों दिल जानता है, something like that. And हम दोनों भी अपनी मस्ती में लगे हुए हैं because why not? We have all the reasons to celebrate, and I always believe we have to live life at its best, each and every moment to the fullest. I feel immensely blessed and grateful for all the opportunities that I've got through my sheer hard work and diligence as an international flight attendant, that too reaching the highest designation of a flying crew. So now we decided to walk further, complete the walk in this entire stretch, and show you as well the night vibe of this beautiful Miami city. It's almost midnight now और हमने बहुत अच्छा खाना भी खाया. I had the seafood paya if you saw. And हमने walk भी कर ली, काफ़ी बातें भी कर ली and lots of pictures as well. Check out my Insta ID for that. Now I'm back to my hotel and it's time for me to rest because I'm super tired after a 16 hours long journey from Doha, Qatar. Good night for now. A very good afternoon everyone. It's the next day already and I have to get ready for my flight back to Qatar. I finished writing my official reports and it's time to bid adieu to this beautiful place. On my way to the airport as a senior purser before every duty, I have to do briefings for my team and make sure everything goes fine and well throughout the journey. See you when I'm back in Doha, Qatar with another interesting episodes. Until then, take care, stay tuned and keep living large. Bye for now.